Hello everyone, it's Rick, and today we're going to do some advanced adhesion with and repairs with Instabond. Alright, here we go. Here's the situation. We have a chair here. It's damaged. You can see the wooden piece here is broken off. There's really no way to replace this. You can't buy parts. You don't want to start making them. So here we go. This is an advanced use of Instabond. This is where this product, because of the hardener, can really help you out. So let's go. Now, the key situation here is because we're going to use the Instabond to make a part. What we're going to have to do is spray the activator first into the hole here, okay? And that way it allows us the silicone to cure right away. When you pour it, it's going to harden. So you're actually making a part here. Okay? Now you can spray on top of it to help it along, and you can build up on it. All right. So. Spray the activator to harden it. Okay. Have something ready here so you can start pushing it in. There you go. Okay, so you can just build that up. Okay. The activator will harden the piece. Okay, we'll let it run. Now, this top part, also where the screw goes into, right there, has blown out. So what we're going to have to do is fill that up. We're going to put a piece of tape on the end. Just a piece of masking tape, okay? So it won't let the adhesive pour out. We're going to, again, very important, to spray first the Instabond, okay? And we can cover that up a bit over there, okay? And now we can pour the Instabond in here. Now, because we've sprayed the activator first, it's going to harden the adhesive as we pour it in. Just like that, okay? So the tape will hold it in. Spray it some more. Actually pour in some more adhesive. You could just about fill this up over here. Now the other side is hardened up and it's ready to take a screw. Okay, so what we've done there is we've just built it up. We've made a plug on that end, and because we're in a hurry here, we can put the screw in. Of course, I would do this with the power driver. You see, I'm screwing right into the adhesive that we've made the plug on the other end, and you can see it's really starting to take the screw. There you go. Oh, now again, we'll clean that all up, take the tape off, Okay, look at that. So we've got a plug on one end. Okay, we'll clean that up after. And on this side, we've made a plug inside where the screw goes. So what we have here is a repair that's done in under 2 minutes. This is an advanced feature where you spray the activator first, then you place the adhesive. So you're using it as a plug. Very, very strong, and it does the job. Again, this is Rick, another use of Instabond. Until next time.